guys! Good evening everyone! Ayan, hello sa ating mga followers and sa ating mga subscribers na nanonood ngayon ng aming video. So for today's video, we're going to make a simple recipe for our dinner for my 3 sons. So this is our ingredients, eggplants and eggs. So kailanganin natin ng breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour or harina. Ayan. So para hindi naman tayo masawa, di ba minsan kailangan tortang talong or simpleng prito, pero ito gagawin nating kakaiba. So, yan. Simple pero rock! So, tara na guys, gayat na tayo ng talong! So guys, ganito lang yung ating pakakat ng talong. Pero nasa inyo kung anong gusto niyo ng cut. Magbati na tayo guys ng egg. We have 2 eggs, the left and the right.
Ma, don't think like that na yun, ma.
Ayan.
May mga viewers po tabi.
Lagay natin ng salt.
As in, salt talaga guys.
Yan.
Diba?
Then pepper. Pepper. Then shake, shake, shake. Mix.
Halo.
It's very simple guys. Then next we're going to put the eggplant into this
Mixture.
Okay. Let's start na natin yung mga eggplant. Then
Yes.
ganito lang natin.
We're going to dip
Tapos,
them in the bait.
Lagay dun sa ating harina.
Yun na guys, harin na sa taas.
Then put it back again in the egg. Then
Breadcrumbs.
Mix it with breadcrumbs and then voila.
Perfect.
After that, we're going to fry the eggplants.
So guys, kapag may eggplant ka, crispy pa.
Oo, para may new twist naman guys. Kasi alam ko na baka sawa na kayo sa
nasasawa. Hindi
So,
sawa-sawa.
that's why I'm speaking in English na lang. Kain na guys. I-zoom ko pa.
Magugustuhan to ng mga anak nyo kasi masarap to.
Hindi
guys.
masyado malalasan yung gulay.
Yeah. Mga chikitings talaga, no? Dapat kumain ng gulay para mahaba ang gulay.
Classic.
guys na Ito na yung ating piprituson.
Results.
Yeah.
Guys, mapalak siyang isda pero eggplant.
So, try nyo to guys. It's very simple and
Delicious.
healthy.
Mga chikitings will love it.
Yes.
Yeah. Welcome back to the channel of
Mom, she and Three Sons.
So we're about to eat.
Try mo muna Three Sons.
Ayun na guys. So we're about to eat the eggplant mojos.
Wow.
As you can see in the center, we just put a mayo. But now, we're going to put some sriracha and some
Or a twist.
parsley.
So guys, we're using the chopstick now because we're
Giving
just want
a
to
mukbang
give you guys a mukbang vibes.
vibes.
Yan, guys. Try na nga natin.
안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Counting portion lang.
Go boy, you do the honors.
Do the honors. Mix mo na. Go. You can do it.
Okay, try it. Kung crispy pa yung ating eggplant.
Crispy pa yan.
What's that?
Parsley. Para may paano.
Presentation.
Presentation.
Let's go guys. Let's eat.
Ayan. Good luck. Ay! Wait, hold on guys. Hold on.
Sorry guys, they are not expert.
I'm not yet. We're practicing lang. Oh, buo.
Oo, grabe boy ah.
Wait, hold on. No. This is so embarrassing.
Try ko din yun. I will try one.
Okay guys, sakto na to. Organize to lang.
Parang meat, no?
Parang protein eh.
Guys, meron kami ditong guyabano sa kaatis. From
Fruit
my
basket.
good friend. Shout out
Thank you
kay
for
Ate
the-
Linda.
Thank you for the fruits.
So guys, ayan.
Thank you guys.
Mura na. Sulit pa, healthy pa. So try nyo to guys. Ubus na yung ulam. Hindi pa
First
ubus yung
bite
kanin
is
nyo.
yours.
Yan guys, bago nila maubos ang kanilang ulam.
Please don't forget
So
to
guys, if you are new here to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to like,
Comment,
share, and subscribe.
And click the notification bell for more updates on our YouTube channel.
Yes.
and follow our page on Facebook.
Yes. So guys, this is our video for today. So
Hope you
hope
guys enjoy.
you guys enjoy your weekend. See you next video. Ciao,
Bye-bye.
Bella!